Hey, March 2nd, St. Paul, Minnesota, and it's snowy. Let's take a look. There's my front yard with the massive pile. It's supposed to be a sidewalk through the middle there, right from the stairs, but who needs that? That's my neighbor's house and their pile. It's a pretty nice sized pile. Sidewalk and the cavern to get up my front steps. Up the driveway here. The snowmobile. Haven't dug the car out yet. Don't need to go anywhere. Nice little nose bullet. Here's the backyard. Take a little tour back here. This is my favorite part. Took a little trench so my dogs couldn't walk over the fence with the deep snow, which they would do. Make a good snow fort. And it's still coming. So there you go. March 2nd, 2007, Snowstorm, St. Paul, Minnesota. Fun stuff.